Good day and welcome to my channel. This is the best fashion tutorials. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you're also welcome. So today I'll be teaching you on how to draft your regular waistcoats. I have a video on this channel on how to draft your double-breasted waistcoats. So today I'll be doing a regular waistcoat. So first thing, you rule a straight line, horizontal and vertical. Make sure it's straight so that your drafting can be straight. So now after this, we'll take out our 1 inch allowance for overlapping for our button overlap. Very, very important. If you don't take this out, your waistcoat measurements might short. Just like your regular shirt, your button shirts, you need this allowance for it. If you don't know, if you've not watched my video on how to cut your button shirt, is on this channel also, so you can do well to watch it. So we take out our length, which is 26 inches. Then you rule a straight line. So now our collar or our neck will be taking out 3 inches. 3 inches. Then from your 3 inches, you mark your collar, which is 16. You take 2 inches slant for your shoulder slant. You connect this line to your shoulder slant. So now our armpit will be taking 10 inches, our armhole 10 inches. You roll a line. And you draw a straight line. Okay. Let me get the exact. Shoulder is 16 plus ½ inch. Then you draw a straight line. Now on the center of your shoulder, divide it by 2. Of your armhole, you divide by 2, which is this. Then you take 1 inch in for your armhole cuff. So you draw a cuff. That is it on how to get your armhole. So now we get our chest measurements. Remember I told you your chest measurement will not be starting from here, but you'll be starting from the inner one. So now your chest measurement, my chest is 40. Take out 40. Add your allowance, just ½ inch allowance. As I'm not putting a dart on this waistcoat, so I'll be using ½ inch. Now to get your waist 6 inches from your armhole, my waist is 36, which is 9 plus extra ½ inch. Then on the waistline, the waist is 40, the hip is 40 plus ½ inch. So you connect your lines together. So now on the base here, we'll be taking 2.5. 2.5 for our cuff. On this part, there are different patterns of waistcoats. Some do their own straight line, some do their own V cuff, and various patterns. Some can do cycle. So for this tutorial, we're using the regular V pattern. Then on this part, we'll be using 3 inches, 3 inches, and 2.5 here. You connect your lines together. So I hope you understand. This is how you get your down shape. Then on this neck now, on the neck opening, please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please try and subscribe. It's your way of encouraging me for this content I'm creating for you free of charge. So please like, share, comment, subscribe, please. Thank you. So now, to get our neck, you divide your chest divided by 4 plus 1 inch, which is 11. Although it depends on you, on how deep or how shallow you want your waistcoat to be, the front of the waistcoat to be. It depends on the amount of buttons you want to put, but for this one I think this is okay. Your chest minus 1 plus 1 making 11. So now on this waistcoat I can have like 4 buttons. 4 buttons will fit in perfectly. Then if I'm making 3 buttons or more, I can bring it down more or take this up. So that is it. You can manipulate your waistcoats any way you want it. Just know the basics. That is it. So thank you for watching these tutorials. See you on our next tutorials. We post videos every week, so please do well to subscribe. Thank you.